Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And we have a swing arm here that we believe may be a MTC. We're not really exactly sure. It has some issues, and I don't know everything about these. If you come over here, you can see where this part here is busted away. Probably could be an easy fix, but just we want to show you. Then if you come to this side right here, you can see where it's forked out. This bar is on the left side of the motorcycle here, as well as the inside. Like I say, we believe it's MTC, but we don't know this to be sure, and we're still investigating it, but we're not drag race specialists. So to put this on your bike, it looks like they cut this bracket right here for the footrest, going right here. Well, it's actually the exhaust bracket, but the footrest goes on here anyway. Then you can see the bars below it for support. Now, one thing that we don't understand about this is right here the shock lines up perfect. On this side, the shock is on the swing arm, but it sticks out. It does not go on the bushing. I don't know what the problem is there, I really don't. But anyway, I just wanted to point that out so there's no surprises. So we're going to be selling this as is because we're parting this drag bike out. We also have a rear wheel for this, and with the caliper and everything. We'll talk about that later. So thanks for looking at it, and we'll be showing it on eBay soon. Thanks.